Hello everyone, today we will learn how to configure a ChatGPT account and key with the BotPenguin platform. Here click on this button of create new secret key. Now name the key and click on create secret key button. Now you'll see that your API key has been generated. Copy this key and navigate to the BotPenguin platform. Here in the third party integrations, you will find the ChatGPT. Just click on connect button. Now copy the key that you have generated there and click on connect. Now you will see that your bot has been successfully integrated with the ChatGPT.